Today we are going to talk about that age-old question, what do women want? Very hard question to answer, but I'm going to try to give you some ideas today of how you can deliver on some of that. Stick around. I'm Amy with 731woodworks.com, but you may know me as Mrs. 731. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below. Also, hit that bell icon. That way you get notified of new content. Okay, so I know all of you are used to Mr. 731 doing his power tip. So we are going to do a power tip in this video. You're also used to reading his shirts, which I love. So I thought I would share some with you today. Kind people are my kind of people. So I hope you're a kind person. We appreciate all of the kind comments that all of you leave for us. Thank you so much for that. Stick around for that power tip. Okay, so most of you are here because you are into woodworking. Let's talk about how you can use some of those woodworking skills to give your lady what she wants for Christmas. Okay, so one thing we're gonna do today is we are gonna paint that green door. It's time for it to be painted black. Can't wait to get that. I'm just grilling your cheese. I know y'all love the green door. But while we're talking about cheese, let's talk about the kitchen. I love to bake. I love to cook. Does your wife, girlfriend, does she love to bake or cook? Does she love to attempt to bake or cook? Maybe she likes to use a recipe that's been passed down. Handwritten recipes from grandmother or great-grandmother. Well, take that recipe, make a copy of it, make a photocopy. Do not use the original recipe or you might mess it up. Get a copy of it, put it on a piece of wood, Mod Podge over it, build a frame around it, put a hook on the back, hang it in the kitchen for her, or wrap it up with a big red bow. But I guarantee you it's going to be a tearjerker if she sees that recipe. Let's talk about a few of the bigger projects first. You could make a desk. So my husband made me a desk a couple of years ago for my classroom, and you may be thinking a desk for a Christmas present, not that good. My wife may not like that, or girlfriend. She would if you personalize it. So if you know that your lady needs a space to do her work, maybe she needs a desk for work, or maybe she needs a desk at home because she sits down once a month and pays the bills, like I do. Take a project, build it for her, leave her a personalized note. My husband built that desk for me in my classroom, and I know y'all have seen it on a video before. He put a little note in the corner, and every time I'm sitting at my desk at work, all I can do is glance over at that note and smile. Makes me smile every time. Personalize it. That's what makes it special. Also, if you would like to see a video build of that desk, there's going to be a link in the description below. Let's talk about another thing that most women like. Shoes. We love shoes. I can't help it. I love shopping for shoes. If you're scared to go shop for shoes for your woman, consider doing this. Build her a shoe storage system, wrap it, and inside that somewhere, give her gift cards to her favorite shoe stores or maybe her favorite department stores, and tell her that you're going to stay home and watch the kids while she goes and has a shoe shopping day. We love shoes. Give her a gift certificate to somewhere that she loves to shop from. Also, does she ever like to go get pedicures? Maybe inside with that shoe coupon or department store gift card and her shoe rack, put another gift certificate in there, one where she can go get a pedicure, and tell her you want her to go buy her some new shoes to go with those new toes. Consider it. I think she'll be happy. Okay, I'm going to talk about a really important one here. So maybe y'all are a younger couple just starting out. Maybe she's been hinting around that she wants a puppy and you haven't been quite on board, but you're starting to consider it. Here's something that would make her extremely happy. Go buy a puppy dog bed. Build a frame for it. We have a link in the description below to one we built. Build a bed, put one of those dog beds inside it, wrap it up, and tell her she can go pick out the puppy she wants. Let's talk about something else that women love. Jewelry. A lot of times we really don't have a good storage process for it. For me, I've got bracelets that are just in a glass bowl that I keep in my jewelry box. So one thing that I've talked to my husband about is building me a jewelry bar. You can change the height of them. You can make them good for bracelets, for watch bands, for necklaces, any of those things. Maybe you want to build her a jewelry bar, but you don't just want to give her the jewelry bar. Give her that jewelry bar, let her open it, be surprised, and then behind your back have a piece of jewelry wrapped up too. Okay, so do you have kids that you just don't ever seem to take enough pictures of? Your wife may be constantly complaining because there's just no time to get good pictures made. Take some pictures in your yard. Take a kid out there, take a picture in the yard, have it printed somewhere on paper. If you have a colored printer, you can even do this yourself. or print it on black and white, do black and white photos. Take some 1/4-inch plywood, Mod Podge that picture onto it, build a frame around it, put a hook on the back. Instant love. Okay, so let's talk about some storage space. We live in a smaller house and we're always running out of space for storage. I happen to love handbags, love to collect them. I have 2 favorite brands. My husband, while I was at work one day, decided to build me a personalized storage space in our closet. I came home to one of the biggest surprises ever, and I know that sounds crazy, but to me it was a huge surprise. He built me a rack in the top of our closet, and he hand wrote on it my 2 favorite brands so that I could store my purses somewhere safely. Loved that. So maybe that's something you could consider. Does she need storage for something that she enjoys, whether it's knickknacks or quilts or handbags or shoes, whatever it is? Personalize some storage space for her and make her know that you are thinking of her. Check out the link in the description below if you want to view my personal handbag storage. You know what time it is. Power tip time. Okay, so for your power tip, we're going to talk about things that you don't want to do. Don't do these things. This is my power tip to you. Maybe you're thinking about going and buying her a vacuum cleaner for Christmas. Maybe a carpet shampooer, maybe a new dishwasher. All of those things are great gifts, but you don't just want to give her those things because all you're doing is reminding her that she needs to clean the floors or wash those dishes. Don't do that. If she needs something like a vacuum cleaner, buy her a vacuum cleaner. Buy that ahead of time. For Christmas, don't give her something that she needs. Give her something that she wants, something she normally would not spend the money on to buy for herself. Make her feel appreciated. Show her that she is so much more than just the person who cooks the meals or cleans the dishes or sweeps the floors. And maybe you do help her do all of that stuff already. Don't buy her cleaning supplies for Christmas. If she needs new cleaning supplies, y'all go buy those things together. Hit a Black Friday sale. Just don't put it under the tree. Okay, so let's talk about another gift that you could give her. You could build her a bench, just a little short bench that she could sit on every morning when she sits to put on those new shoes that you just bought her, okay? So you can take that wood bench and you can personalize it and make it unique to you and to her. So what you can do, my husband built me a bench. He put an arrow in the middle of the bottom and he took a paint pen and wrote, "I love you." I absolutely love that bench. We've got a link in the description below of a bench similar to it, but make sure that whatever you build her, you have her in mind. As long as you've got her in mind and what she loves and what you know that she appreciates, then she's gonna love it. So let's talk about another great gift. You could actually build a ladder that she can display family quilts on. Does she have quilts that have been passed down from generation to generation? These quilts may be family heirlooms that she loves to look at. Build her a quilt ladder that she can display those on. There's a link in the description below of one we've built. One of the great things about this is you can actually build it any size you need. Make it to where it hangs on the walls. Just put hooks on the back. You can make it a leaning ladder like we did and display them. Okay, so let's get real for just a moment. Not everybody is going to be able to afford to go buy the supplies to build something or to go buy some of the gifts that we've talked about. But that doesn't mean that you can't give your significant other a personalized gift from the heart. So I want to show you a notebook. You can just go get a regular notebook, but my husband happens to know that I love Mickey Mouse, so he got me a Mickey Mouse notebook. The first note that's in here is from 2014, and I've kept it all this time. Every time that he gets up and leaves for work, before I get up, he leaves me a note in this notebook with a little square for me to check that I've read it. You can do something like this. Go buy a 50-cent composition notebook, start a chain of notes in it for her, leave it hidden for her. Maybe put a note in there that says, "One day I'm going to buy you all of the things that I can't buy you today." It doesn't have to be money that you spend on her. All it has to be is your heart that you're offering to her. Sometimes when Mr. 731 holds my hand, that's the greatest gift in the whole world because he's holding my hand. So it doesn't have to be money. Don't worry about trying to spend money if you don't have it. Don't put yourself in a bind. We've been completely broke before and still just as much in love. Don't worry about it if you don't have the money. Just try to think of something. Take a piece of scrap wood, write her a note on it, put some type of clear coat on it. It'll be wonderful. You can put a command strip on that puppy and pop it on the wall. Perfect, but don't overthink it. Just offer her something to let her know that you are thinking about her. Okay, so we've gone over a lot of stuff today, But the point of all of this is just to help you not make a mistake. Hopefully you're not going to make a mistake, because if you're thinking about her, you're not going to make a mistake anyway. But the key to everything is personalization. Make sure that she knows this is something you did specifically for her, not for anybody else, but for her. That right there is going to be the biggest part of it. That's going to tell her, wow, he does really listen to what I say. He notices what I want. That's the biggest part of all of it. My husband, every surprise he has given me that's been personalized, every surprise that has been for something that I collect or something that I love, I know that the only reason he did that is because he was thinking about me specifically. He wasn't trying to get out of trouble from a fight or forgetting an anniversary. He would never do that. But he does it because he loves me, and that tells me that. Sometimes a gift can say more than words can say. Make sure that when you build her something or make her something, make sure that it says everything you want it to say. A video of that build, there's going to be a leak in a leak. No, you can't put that in there. No. See, that's what I get because you've been making me say it all day. All right. No, seriously, how do I start? Oh, dang it. I'm Amy with 731woodworks.com. No, that did not sound right. Hi, I'm Amy with 730. I can't do that. I can't do 731. I have to do 73. I teach, and we have to, okay. You got to delete all this stuff. Oh, no, it wasn't. What? Okay, if you like this video, click this box right here, take you to the next one. This is my first video with 731 Woodworks, so comment below, let me know what you think. I'd love for you to share some of your gift ideas with me and with others. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I'll give you a virtual fist bump. Share this on your social media. Thank you guys.